Let's go.
Oh wait, no, you have two.
No, we have two. We have
So-
two. Do you have your licorice?
I don't need licorice.
Okay.
Just chocolate?
If you don't, I want to see if Mel will take it.
Chocolate?
Go see Mama.
Look. Or maybe I could give it to
Belly.
her. Mel.
Belly.
Sniff it. You know what that is. You know what it is. Get away
Chocolate.
from it. Chocolate. Get away from it.
Thanks, Mom.
Sit. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. She knows. No
Look at
poke.
that underbite, buddy.
No poke.
He's got it out. Proud now.
He does.
Wake me up, I'm tired of dreaming. All my days are yours.
Had a pretty lazy morning this morning. We drove quite a few hours to get to Sawtooth Mountains, and we've been here for a few days, just kind of relaxing. But we are headed out to Boise tomorrow. Hi. Headed out to Boise tomorrow to go. Just the camera. To go do some errands, check out the area, and then head into Oregon.
Every single day. Every single day.
Alright, I gotta document this moment. The dogs have traded places while driving. This is never heard of. He is always next to us when we drive.
Out of there. Quit eating the beef jerky.
And she's taken over his bed. This
She just put her whole tongue in here.
Trust me, girl, I see it too. I see what you mean, but I'm taking it slow. Time is crazy, I get it, but baby, I promise you everything's under control. Tired of maybes, I need a 100% for this shit, girl, a yes or a no. Now, girl, I ain't promised.
Alright, Idaho. I see your beauty. I get it.
Idaho, kind of tight. Boise, one of the coolest small cities I've ever been to. It reminds us a lot of Austin. Like when we were going down the main street, it almost felt like
Old Austin.
we were going down Guadalupe, heading to Cesar Chavez. If you know, you know. We got to go out to a restaurant with them. Excellent Mexican food, and then had a very hot sleep. Ran out of battery.
Yeah, we depleted all the way down to zero.
It happens. After all those shenanigans, we're now driving about an hour and a half west towards Oregon. Yeah, we got to be in Bend, by Sunday, for some work for Molly and Kaylin and Kyle. I'm jobless, so I don't work.
By the way, when Ken says work means I'm just posting a YouTube video.
Yeah, we don't work as of right now.
Eventually.
But eventually, yes.
Or tell all your family and friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to watch all of our videos all the way through and share and comment, and then that way
What about,
literally
with,
can work for ourselves.
With recent purchases coming up, you can buy an NFT from me, and I'm getting it.
Oh, sorry, Mama. Come on.
Is this?
Oh, we just passed a cow
Yeah. Whoa.
farming place.
Oh my gosh.
A bunch of manure.
Oh, yeah, that's potent. I think I tasted it. Melly got a bath today too. That was one of our errands because her oils and with the heat and just swimming in clean river water, but she just was starting to smell really bad.
But don't get it twisted, a nigga gon' play his position. I'm telling you, God is my witness. And we all see you about that money, where your mind at?
Who's getting the bath right now?
Yes, she is so smelly.
Oh, little baby. Look at the face. Look at the happy face. Not really, but we're here.
Chase, losing our mind to the base. The love we exhibit is limitless, infinite space. Baby, just give me a taste. Baby, I'm thinking it's fate. It's never too late, but even at that, when I see you, I don't wanna wait. Every single day, all I wait for is being on my way just to see ya. Maybe you should stay. Stay the night, babe. Every single day, all I wait for is being on my way.
Tucky didn't get a bath because
We can wash them in the sink. Mel is a little bit more difficult with the van, so this was her first time.
professional bath.
Yeah, previous to van life, we would always just stick her in the tub.
Now don't get it twisted. It's not like this is the first bath we've ever
Yeah,
done.
yeah. This time it was cool because we got to use like the professional shampooing and conditioner and the blowers. We cleaned her ears. So she's a fluffy and very hairy. She needs a good brush dog right now. We made it to Oregon! State number 10 for the dogs.
States.
9 for us traveling in the van.
Yeah, outside of Texas.
Guys, Kyle just said on the walkie-talkie, first stop sign in Oregon. He knows how excited we are to be here.
So what we're doing is we're going to be exploring the Bend, spending a few days there. That's the place that I always wanted to visit in Oregon. And after that, we'll be in Eugene for probably a couple days, venturing around their hometown. Yeah, Kyle and Kayla grew up in a college town. University of Oregon is in Eugene. You know, quack, quack, go Ducks. Quack, quack, go Ducks. And then after that, we might visit Portland. We are making our way up to Seattle, and I just heard great things about Seattle too. But Washington is another state that has been on Molly's and my bucket list to explore.
Sunday morning at the Calamar. Neon roses dancing bare. Loving everything that we got now while we can. Light shows from heaven shine down below. Sunday morning at the Calamar. No, just let me go so I can paddle. With no prescription, shake your shoes while I hit some action. Jump while the feeling's amazing. Laser burning made its way to the neon rose.
such a handsome man. Like, can we just talk about this fit right now? So handsome. Just got off the river, tried out a new brewery, and now we're going to their favorite brewery in Bend called Crux, C-R-U-X. They have games and food and all of the good stuff. Children haven't been fed yet. Look at her. Mama, are you hungry?
Are you hungry? Is my baby girl hungry? Miss, sit.
You can take down
Yes. Sit. Are you hungry?
Amber Ale.
What'd you
Are you
get?
hungry?
Oh, you said it was the same one as
Yeah, I don't know.
Yes,
Check out the
Are you
aromatic.
hungry?
No, what I'm saying is before we lived on the road, I never paid attention to the moon. Like, I did when it was a full moon or something, but since we've been living on the road, well, you know this, I noticed the phases of the moon so much. Every day. Yes. Every day. And people will be like, oh my God, the moon is up in the sky at like 3 p.m. And I'm like, yeah, you didn't know that that's a normal thing? It's a normal thing.
Sure, no, probably not.
Okay, crouch down.
Come here.
Your boy is not. Your boy does not limbo. But we're just leaving Crux Brewery in Bend, obviously. Crux, brother. Swag worldwide concept.
Chickies, go get him.
This is Cake. She's young and hips. Young and hips.
She's so confused by you. She's like, bitch.
Bitch. Ready?
No one could have expected that to happen. Cake actually take off. Oh, here comes Tucker now. Get him, Cake! Get him! Cake, go get him.
She's scared herself.
Last Blockbuster in America. You can find it in Bend, Oregon, which is conveniently right next to where we filled up our water. I love it. Okay.
Everybody's so happy, you know?
I remember the summer, we were just kids living in a dream. Undercover lovers.
Well, we had a very eventful day today. We woke up and went to a coffee shop, Cavista, got some coffee, and then after that we attempted to get breakfast, and I was gonna drive the car and Ken was gonna skateboard and meet me there. Tell him what happened.
And then something happened to where I bought a cruiser board that puts around town, and I was going through Columbia Park in Bend, and as I was gonna go over the bridge.
You know, you gotta smuggle your way in these places.
another pug, and there was a corgi.
Kaylin, how'd you sneak in cake?
Put her in your trousers. Got a big wiener in there?
Yeah, I got a big wiener in my pants.
That big old wiener.
Hide the wiener, hide the wives.
But this
Rudely
is
interrupted by our friends. I was going through Columbia Park, and as I was going over the bridge,
And we walk up, we have beer in our bag.
this dog on a leash passing me jumped and leaped and paws on chest me, give it a little nudge, hit me off the board, and the board went straight on the bridge and underneath, went underneath like a gap and then went straight into the river. Also, my phone went into the river as well. The lady was nice enough to ask me if I was okay, and she hoped my day goes better. So then a local here in Bend stopped by, realized that my board was sunk down into the river, got taken a little bit by the current, so we went to go get some goggles from his place. He came back, let me use them, but he noticed that like there was a long log that was down about 5 feet into the river, and then right near it was another wood tracing. He said he thought it looked like a cruiser. I dove down in there, saw that it was, super happy, quick adrenaline rush, swam back up and got my board out of the river in Bend. Now my phone is currently drying in rice.
Thank you so much for the goggles, y'all. What a pie.
You want to get with me first before you get my wife? You can have my wife if you last 30 minutes with me, young boy. Let me just tell you this.
Bullshit what? You're the ambassador? What are you gonna do with that card?
I didn't even remember I was the ambassador. So I don't know. The Duke takes 3.
When did you become the Duke?
I've been the Duke the whole time.
Oh, no one remembers what anyone.